If you are not already incorporating AI into your daily life, you are falling behind the curve. Every tech giant is in a heated race to practically incorporate AI into their services. It's even changing the world of search engines and how people will explore the web. Let's discuss how Bing AI is tapping into this tech and leveraging its strength in an attempt to challenge Google's long-standing dominance. Now, Bing AI is not your typical search engine. What sets it apart is its integration with ChatGPT. By combining Bing's search capabilities with ChatGPT's natural language processing, Bing AI aims to offer users a revolutionary search experience. So what are the key differences between Bing AI and Google Search? What potential impact will this have on market share? Will this enable Bing AI to steal the spotlight from Google and their AI-powered search engine? Let's discuss. ChatGPT independently excels at generating human-like text and engaging in conversations, while search engines focus on finding and retrieving relevant information online. By combining the two, users benefit from a more intuitive experience, as search engines understand queries better, and ChatGPT leverages the search engine's knowledge to provide accurate, personalized responses, ultimately enhancing user interaction. Since Bing AI boasts a cutting-edge language model and real-time internet connectivity, it surpasses standard ChatGPT, whose training data ceases after 2021. Bing AI can already deliver more in-depth and precise answers to inquiries while providing new level of personalized search experiences. For example, I told Bing AI that I work for a hot air balloon service company in Southern California. I then asked it to please provide an outline of how I can increase calls and newsletter signups. The result is a collection of tips along direct links to relevant websites. Users can opt to visit a site, continue the chat with the suggestions, or compose a new message to further information. On the other hand, Google Search merely guides users to a list of websites where they can find the required information. In essence, Bing AI brings the information directly to the user, while Google directs the user to the information. While Google currently dominates the search engine market, Bing's AI innovative features and integration with ChatGPT could help it secure a larger market share. In many industries, there are at least 2 to 3 key players that coexist, and Bing AI's advanced capabilities could position it as a serious contender alongside Google. Trust and accuracy are particularly vital aspects for users when selecting a search engine. Bing AI's ability to distinguish itself from Google and deliver dependable data will play a significant role in its success. While Bing AI has already exhibited remarkable abilities, there might be occasions when it offers incorrect or obsolete information. Google's AI-driven search engine Bard recently launched a beta version yesterday and is already facing a considerable amount of backlash due to its inaccuracies. This presents an excellent opportunity for Bing AI to differentiate itself. AI-powered search engines as a whole raise a plethora of ethical considerations and privacy concerns. Users may worry about how their data is being used and if their interactions with these search engines are actually secure. I just read an article recently stating that Bard by Google actually has been trained on data from Gmail accounts, which contains privileged information. I mean, that is just absolutely insane. It cannot be understated how important it is for these companies to prioritize user privacy and to maintain transparency about its data usage policies, and also take steps to ensure that every user interaction is secure. By proactively addressing these concerns, Bing AI can actually foster more trust early on and encourage users to embrace its innovative search capabilities and make that transition to their platform. The search engine landscape is ever evolving, and the role of AI in this transformation is absolutely revolutionary. Bing AI's integration with ChatGPT marks a very significant milestone in the journey towards AI-powered search engines. As Bing AI, Bard, and similar technologies continue to develop, we can expect to see significant changes not only in the way that we search, but in the way that we perceive the internet as a whole. Now, Bing AI still has a long way to go if it ever wants to replace Google Search. However, I believe that it has a foothold in the future, so I'm going to be incorporating it into my daily schedule. I hope you guys go out there and try Bing AI yourself and share your thoughts, experiences, and feedback in the comment section below. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you left a like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support and I look forward to creating more content on AI in the future. Other than that, take care.